Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Nancy Sanchez and I'm studying mechanical engineering at CETIS University. Today we're going to see a Tetmeshing anchor geometry and verifying its mesh quality. Our objective is to create a TetMesh using the auto TetMesher, TetMesh. See the effect of two TetMesh parameters on the measures by remeshing and changing the value of the parameters. For both meshes, determine the quality of the Tet elements, which is what we are going to be doing today. And let's start. First, we're going to use a previous file called Anchor. I'll leave the link below so you can go to that tutorial. Now we're going to go to Elements, Create, Mesh, Solid. Let's see, we have Tet, TetMesh, and Tet10, and let's go to Parameters. Leave it at Series. Click on Solid 1. Uncheck this box and type 20. Finally, we can click Apply. As you can see, it turned almost to a pink color. And here we can see our mesh. Now let's go to Verify, Elements, click on the second option and Apply. Now we have it as a gold anchor. Go to Tet, All, leave as is, and click Apply. Select OK for this box. Now you see everything turn to orange. Now we have this box. It's going to tell you what it's happening. Okay, the test is a test performed. We can see here many of the tests. Next, the number of elements that failed the test. Here we have 0 and so on. The third one, it's the worst case. This is the poorest quality check result. We have a kind of a big one, and the element that had poorest quality check result. Then click on Cancel. Now what we are going to do is to click on Aspect. Try to put it around 5, but the most I could do was to put it at 6.25, so I'll leave it like that, but try to put 5. Now you can see on View Corners and check this out. We have kind of nice colors in this scale. You can see their values. Here we have kind of a little bit of red. If you click, you can see the nodes. Now let's go to Create, Mesh, Solid, TetMesh, Tet10. Now click on Parameters. We're going to change it to 0.05 and to 0.1. Now we're going to change the parameters, and at the end we're going to make a comparison between what we had and what we are going to have. Leave it at 20. Now Apply, select OK. We're going to remesh. See? Now click on Verify, Tet, and All. Now click on Apply and select OK. Let's wait a little bit more. Now remember that for worst case at aspect we had a 34.38. Now it's lower. Now that we compare, we connect it. This is an option you can use to remesh your piece and have a better value at worst cases scenarios when you verified everything. Now I'll click here just to position it better, to give it a better position. I'll save it and then I'll quit. And close. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Give thumbs up, subscribe. Don't forget, if you have any kind of questions, advices, suggestions, please comment below and I'll try to give you feedback as soon as possible. Bye bye.